Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing. So I went to Target today, and surprisingly, I happened to come across this, the Training Trucks Earthshaker. This thing is a beauty, and not only that, it is my second training truck. The first one being the El Toro Loco. Oh man, this thing looks awesome. All right, let's unbox it. Here is the minifigure, probably representing Tristan England or Steve Thompson or Peter Nyman. And here is the Training Trucks Earthshaker. So unlike the El Toro Loco, it's got a white chassis, gold rims, BKT printing. Well, all of them have BKT printing. The Earthshaker training truck has caution tape on it. It says Earthshaker, Monster Jam logo, yellow cab, and then some scuffs and dents. Same thing on this side. Awesome. Definitely awesome. And of course it's a metal base like the Training Trucks El Toro Loco. But the Earthshaker has the new chassis mold, as you can see right there. Yeah, definitely awesome. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the Training Trucks Earthshaker. This truck will make its debut in Sign Up Series 19, along with the Aftershock and the updated Max D, which I reviewed yesterday. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.